in A-class, aren't we?
Yeah.
So we're going to look.
I hate to admit it, but we are.
You are interested in an A-class, yes?
Yeah. This is the Voyageur. It's probably way out of our budget. Miles out of our budget, but nice. Wow, look at the boot. That is beautiful. You're outside shower. Wow.
Wet area.
Wow, this is nice. So what's the price on this one?
It's 29,700 for the luxury pack. 22 collection.
What is that?
23,450. Price with options is 153,000.
Wow, look at the wood in it though. Love that. I do like that. Oh wow, yes, yes, yes. How many's in there, babe?
Right, come on, let's do this.
Oh yes.
Yes, this is more like
This is it.
Loving that as well.
Excuse me. Sorry.
Liking this leather. Nice soft leather, nice colours.
Just come down. This is a bed. So there's your driver area. Nice cab. Liking that. Look at your view you've got
What's your
round.
favourite bit as well? Lovely wine rack. For your
Oh
glasses.
yeah.
I'll put wine bottles in there.
TV. Lovely little cupboard here as well. What's that for? Oh, I love that. Oh, look at the kitchen. It's so
The only
spacious.
thing I don't like with these is when you get the two burners.
I'd live with that. Work out how to use these things. Oh wow, look at that. That's lovely. Look it up. Look at the cupboards. How easy are they? Oh, that goes really far back, doesn't it? This would be a coffee maker. Yeah, look. I do like this one.
Beautiful white pictures on there, nice curtains,
Seat
travelling
belted
seat belts.
Small seat, but it'd be adequate.
Storage cupboard at the top. Now this is what I like because it opens both sides, so you can open your freezer that way, or you can open it that way. Same with the fridge as well. Nice size fridge. So anyway, when Debbie's driving you mad, you just kind of close the wrap.
I just love like
Mirror in that side of the door.
wood
Yep, I like wood.
showers.
Makes it feel more
Really nice
spacious. I'll tell you what,
size.
I'm just going to quickly turn round and then we can get the size of that shower in there, look.
Yep.
Nice size shower.
And the little sink is so cute with a little cupboard there. Just unlock it.
It's like a bamboo kind of colour, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just go back out that way and slide that door across.
I just want to have a look at the bedroom.
Okay.
If that's okay.
Nice big skylight above the shower. Nice size shower tray. In this side, it doesn't make up the, like some vans you can close that off. It doesn't quite do that on that door, but obviously you have got the other one. This will be it here.
You found it, have you?
Yeah.
Ah.
Really good size wardrobe, top and bottom.
Oh yeah.
Loads of space.
Yeah.
So yeah, bathroom really nice. Cabinets, lots of storage. Got to find the catches to open them.
Oh, that goes right through to the garage here.
And then in the back, love that headboard design. Love that.
Nice big drawer.
Lights behind that. By the looks of it, looks like it slides out.
Oh, to make a double.
Yeah, probably makes an island bed, does it? Or no, just a double. And then you've got the two doors. Come across. Yeah, the air conditioning in the bedroom as well as lights. Some nice little cupboards.
Yeah.
Wow, really nice fan. We've got speakers in the back. Look at that, all in nice red and black colours.
Look at this under here,
Both
this
sides.
floorless, I think. Just
Yeah,
have a go.
that should be.
Is that a cupboard? I think it lifts. Oh yeah, it's just
storage
extra
cupboard.
storage, isn't it? It's only small, but I do. Oh, is that how you move the bed?
beautiful, nice little sink in the corner, cupboard. And you also get the 12 volt socket, plug socket. There you go. 2 electric beds. We're going to move these together. That's a really good idea.
That's a double bed then.
Then you've got a nice double bed. Or if you like me and Debbie and you've had an argument, which we do all the time, then you can just sleep separate.
Just move that one in.
There we go.
Amazing.
How
now
cool
you've got a
is
double.
that? Now you've got one double bed. Really loving that headboard and that thing, that's fantastic. Can't take her anywhere, she's getting her hair done now. Around, see what else we can find.
I'd be more interested in getting gadgets for ours, like shelf things, you know, to put in cupboards to stop things falling.
So you want to buy
like a plate rack or something, you know?
Yeah. You want to buy loads of junk, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Basically.
Let's go and find the junk. Go on.
Mark's packed up with tons of stuff and gadgets.
I'm all shopped out now.